Have you ever woken up just before your alarm goes off? It's no coincidence. Your brain is tricking you. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which regulates sleep. If you sleep and wake up at the same time, your brain learns the pattern and activates hormones to wake you up before your alarm goes off. The amazing thing is that your brain starts releasing cortisol about 30 minutes before you wake up, preparing you for the day. That's why you wake up with more energy when you follow a fixed schedule. But if you sleep at different times, this system fails, and the alarm wakes you up suddenly. Does this happen to you often? Leave it in the comments.